If you're running ads on meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you already know how competitive the space is. But today, I'm going to share 5 free tools that will take your ad campaigns to the next level. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, these tools will help you boost your creativity, efficiency, and results without spending a dime. Let's get into it. So, why use free tools as a media buyer? Well, as media buyers, we are constantly managing budgets, optimizing performance, and testing new strategies. Free tools can help streamline your workflow without cutting into your ad spend. They are great for managing multiple tasks from designing creatives to tracking performance and even brainstorming copy. And the best part, you can access all of this without any additional costs. First up, Canva. This tool is a must-have for designing your ad creatives. What I love about Canva is its simplicity. You don't need to be a professional designer to create high-quality ads. It has pre-made templates for every ad format you can think of. Banners, carousels, stories, you name it. Just drag, drop and customize with your own images and text. And boom, you have a professional-looking ad ready to go. You can experiment with different creatives, test multiple versions, and save tons of time. Canva is perfect for A/B testing ad visuals without hiring a designer. Next, let's talk about Facebook Ad Library. If you're not already using this, you're missing out. This tool allows you to spy on your competitors in a totally legal way. It gives you full visibility into running the ads on Facebook and Instagram. And it's great for inspiration. You can see what's working for others in your industry, which helps you craft better ads. Check out what your competitors are running, look for trends in ad formats or messaging, and use it to fuel your own campaigns. Now, on to Notion. If you struggle to keep track of your campaigns, this is a game changer. Notion helps you organize everything in one place. Campaign schedules, KPIs, notes, strategies, you name it. It's especially handy if you're managing multiple clients or campaigns at the same time. You can create custom dashboards to track the performance of your ads, set reminders for optimizations, and even collaborate with your team on tasks. Okay, we can't forget Google Sheets. This is where the real magic happens when it comes to analyzing data. As a media buyer, you need to track key metrics like CPC, CPM, and ROAS. Google Sheets help you do that in real time. You can build custom dashboards to monitor performance, set up formulas for budget tracking, and analyze what's working and what's not. For data nerds like me, Google Sheets is an absolute powerhouse. Last but definitely not least, ChatGPT. This tool is like your own personal brainstorming buddy. It helps you generate ideas for ad copy, headlines, and even new strategies. You can use it to draft copy variations, A/B test different messages, or come up with new angles for your campaigns. And that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you automate repetitive tasks, saving you tons of time. Need quick copy tweaks or new ideas for targeting? ChatGPT has you covered. So, these are the top 5 free tools every MetaAds media buyer should be using. Canva for creating stunning ad visuals, Facebook Ad Library to research your competitors, Notion for staying organized, Google Sheets for tracking performance, and ChatGPT for copywriting and brainstorming. These tools can transform your workflow, save time, and help you run better ads without spending extra money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to help you crush your meta ad campaigns. And let me know in the comments what free tools are you using to optimize your ads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.